YouTubers, my name is Mathew Nunez and I'm your host for today for the 10th Annual YouTube Awards. I will be presenting you vloggers today with the Best Channel Award. As you know, I'm a former 5 times Best Channel YouTube Award champion. But I didn't get there without the support of you and YouTube. Now, let's get into the award. We'll talk about what it means and how a channel can get this award. Next, we will list the top 5 channel candidates, brought to you by our one and only sponsor, built by Ford Motor Company, Built Tough. Finally, we will tell you what the channel is. We will tell you who the channel is, who won the award, he or she, or whether it's a few candidates. And they'll tell you a few words of the hard work they did. The award is a 6-foot plaque Best Channel Award. It's 6 foot made of gold. Who wouldn't want the award? This award isn't about the views, isn't about the subscribers, and not even the likes. It's about how much the individual puts in, meaning the hours of editing and creating videos, getting the right clip, getting the right content, so the viewers can convey their message clearly that they are trying to create to the world. There is a message in every YouTube video, and you know me, I love portraying messages, as you see in my old videos, in the world, whether it's by talking to podcasts, making content to let the world see. It is a message in each video that matters. These top 5 candidates have showed a message tremendously in all our videos, starting from 6 years ago to the very first YouTube video I posted 6 years ago. That was like 1 minute, maybe 2 seconds, maybe 5 minutes. You never know. Maybe it was long, maybe it was short. You never know. But they showed a message. And they showed consistency in creating cool content for the world and enjoyable content that portrays so many messages through the screen. Whether they had an iPhone camera or a GoPro camera, even too big camera, that doesn't even matter for these images. They still produce the best, enjoyable, craziest content on YouTube. Now, without further ado, these 5 candidates are. We haven't gotten into the yet. Relax. But these 5 candidates are Nelk, Whistlindiesel, Burn Peak, Vlog Creations, and Duncan. Finally, it has been a pleasure hosting the YouTube Best Channel Award. But now I'm going to turn it over to Henry Ford, our motor company, our sponsor. Let me turn it over to him. Well, hey! My name is Henry Ford, as you know, Built Tough. Thank you for buying my Ford F-150s, trucks, cars, Mustangs. Thank you for buying my cars. You know, the motor is built tough, and the car itself. So now I'll be telling you who wins this award. So now, the award, Best Channel Award, 6-foot gold plaque, goes to the one and only, long blonde hair, Duncan. Now, Duncan, can you come on stage? Hey guys, thanks so much for watching my channel. Oh, now go get your mystery box at DannyDuncan69.com. Hey, it's me again, YouTube. Okay, now, thank you. That concludes the YouTube Best Channel Awards, 10th Annual Best Channel Awards. Thank you, Duncan, for making your content. And you get the 6-foot gold plaque award. Alright. Now, thank you for tuning in and listening to me, Mathew Nunez. Like I said, now always like, subscribe, and comment.